Hey guys, I'm just going to give you a video because one, I'm not going to be here tomorrow, and two, um, there are a lot of things that I'm seeing in your papers that irritates me because you're not doing some of the things I've asked you to do. So I'm going to go through them one more time. Holly, I'm using your paper. I really don't remember why, but I think you do most of the stuff I'm asking about. Um, if I've given you any comments over here you do not understand, just send me an email tomorrow, okay? Know that they're either going to come from body paragraph 3, the final paragraph, or works cited, okay? So here's some things I'm looking at. And guys, I'm seeing some mistakes like with apostrophes and stuff like that, but I'm seeing so many quoting mistakes. And I will count that stuff off until you make a 60 and then worry about grammar. Get this stuff together, okay? I'm just irritated about it at the moment because I've seen so many in a row do the same things. All right, here's one thing. Leonardo da Vinci biography, okay? I look at that and I know that Holly does not have a author, okay? Please hear me when I say biography.com, encyclopedia.com. I don't want to see any of that mess anywhere in your paper. Okay, you don't introduce a quote with that. You don't put that in a citation. It's nowhere. Editors, that's not an author. That is a generalized, who do we think might have done it? Okay, so what I want to do here is I know she doesn't have an author because I go to her works cited and I look. Now, here's a problem, okay? The works cited, the ones you do on EasyBib may be a problem, but if there's not like Humes, like right here, then we have to use whatever's left. So she has an article title called Biography and then Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, so I kind of feel like this one has got to be something else. I would say this probably does too. What I want you to do, or what I would prefer her to do, is go to the actual website, go all the way to the top, and you probably see Leonardo da Vinci biography. And you put it in quotes, you put a comma in between your quote, and that's how you introduce it. Okay? And then there it is, paragraph 21. Okay? So, this would mean paragraph number 21, your period goes here, not there. That's the main thing I've seen. Some of you are doing, you're not introducing. You've got to start off with according to. If you look in your works cited page and you have an author, then that's what we do. Okay. A lot of you are using Humes et al. Okay, in your conclusion. So make sure we have this all the way there. Et al. Has to be included. That means we have other authors. Okay. And then you need to just simply put, like I'm telling her, she put the whole title of the novel, not needed. All she needs is 223, just like I did right there. Okay. So when you do the Humes, the one I gave you in class, you do not need to put anything else but the page number. And it's just 223, 222. There's no PG, there's no P period, nothing. Okay. Your paragraph numbers are coming from things that are internet and have no pagination. Okay. All right, a couple of things I've noticed with works cited. This should be done for you, okay? And then hers are fine like this. Make sure it's on its own separate page. Make sure you have 3. Make sure the format is correct. Make sure you do hanging indent. Go back through and read some of this. I've seen a lot of careless mistakes, a lot of words that have been left out. Words like, let's say, skill set, like SCK. I've just seen a lot of weird things like that have caught my attention. I've tried to find as many as I can, but I don't always catch them. Okay, so please make sure that you are proofing this before you turn it in to Hines. If you find yourself tomorrow and you do not have access to Canvas, then what you need to do, guys, is call them immediately, 601-857-3344 or support@hinescc.edu. Tell them you need to set it back to your default, because if you don't turn that paper in, it starts with the 10 points apiece. Okay, so we need to make sure we got that stuff going in. Okay. Any questions, just email me tomorrow. I will be traveling. I may not get back to you immediately, but I will definitely get back to you before 11:59 tomorrow night. Okay, I hope you enjoy tomorrow. Don't forget to be listening to Alaska songs. That's going to be important because when we get in there Wednesday, we're going to be rolling. Okay? All right, see ya.